All right, guys, we've got the Immersion blender from Abuler or Abuler. It's a 5-in-1 handheld blender. It's super easy to use. That's what I love about this thing. I've never really used an Immersion blender before, but I've seen them, and here's how easy it is. First of all, we got the frother. That's the one I'm going to show you an example of in a second. But first, I want to show you just how easy it is to attach different attachments. So you've got the, this is the actual blender. This is what you would use in here to like blend up fruit. So that's how easy it is to attach. There's just these two buttons on each side. You press them and it detaches. Then what you've got is you've also got a whisk for like beating eggs or anything like that. And you can just hook that up like that. I mean, dude, look how easy I'm interchanging this out. This thing's so easy to use. You can hook this up and immediately you're actually chopping stuff in here. Vegetables, meat, whatever it is. This is how easy this MFer is to use. I feel like I'm on an infomercial right now, just showing you how easy this thing is to use, because the truth is it's ridiculously simple to use. So you got several attachments. What we're going to do is froth some milk right now. I already tried it just to make sure it would work. I'm going to do turbo. And this is one of the practical uses. You're getting it nice and frothy so that you're having a latte, or latte is typically what I would do. But yeah, I mean, it's foaming it right up. I heated it up a little bit before, and I think you can see it's nice and frothy in there. So this thing works super easily, super easy to clean. All you do is just take that off, clean it itself, and you can reattach it. At the end of the day, I would say if you're looking for an immersion blender, looking at that number on the screen there, before you go to the name brands, try out something like this, because probably what this is made by some of the name brands. It's just got an off-brand on it. I recommend giving this a shot. I think this is going to impress you. I know it's impressed me. And now you can eat more food.